Hello everyone, welcome back to new video on the preclinical pharmacology. Today's topic of discussion is malaria. So these are the content which we have covered in this video. Firstly, introduction of malaria, symptoms, diagnosis, prevention and life cycle of malaria, the Government of India programs to control malaria, and the last one is the classification of anti-malarial drugs. First of all, let's see the introduction of these. What are the anti-malarial drugs? These are those agents which are used in the treatment of malaria. Malaria, it is the most widespread disease caused by the Plasmodium parasites, and it is a serious, life-threatening, and sometimes fatal disease spread by the mosquitoes. And the parasite is transmitted to human through the bite of the female Anopheles mosquitoes or the infected mosquitoes. Now, there are the four species of the Plasmodium that cause the malaria in humans. First one is the Plasmodium falciparum. Second one is the Plasmodium vivax. Third one is the Plasmodium malaria. And the fourth one is the Plasmodium ovale. First one is the Plasmodium falciparum. It is the most dangerous species, cause approximately 50% of all malaria, and its incubation period 1 to 3 weeks. Second one is the Plasmodium vivax. It is a most common, cause approximately 40% of all malaria, incubation period 2 weeks. Third one is the Plasmodium malaria, cause approximately 10% of all malaria, incubation period average 3 weeks. And the last one is the Plasmodium ovale. It is the least common, incubation period average 2 weeks. Now, let's discuss about the symptoms of malaria. Malaria symptoms start about 10 to 15 days after the infected mosquito bite. There are some symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, kidney failure, seizure, confusion, convulsion, headache, diarrhea, yellow skin, then feel weakness, rapid breath, or difficulty in a breath, etc. Then diagnosis of malaria. Malaria can be diagnosed in several ways, including the blood test and the other method. Blood test can indicate the presence of the parasites in the blood to confirm that you have a malaria. Microscopic exam. Second one is a complete blood count, CBC. Third one is a polymerase chain reaction, PCR. Fourth one is a brain imaging, and the fifth one is a rapid antigen detection test. This test detect the specific malaria in the person blood and can provide the result within a 15 to 30 minutes. Now, prevention of malaria, use mosquito net, wear long sleeves clothing, then use mosquito coil and spray, then keep a home clean, close windows, and know the symptoms of malaria. Now, let have look life cycle of malaria. It's start when the female Anopheles mosquito bite and release the Plasmodium species into the human body. There are the two parts of life cycle. First one is the human liver stage, and second one is the mosquito stage. There are the three cycles in that. First one is the exoerythrocytic cycle, second one is the erythrocytic cycle, and third one is the sporogenic cycle. First one is the exoerythrocytic cycle. Firstly, female Anopheles mosquito bite the human and release the sporozoites. Then sporozoites infect the liver cell and mature into the schizones. And the schizones rupture and release the merozoites. Then second cycle, erythrocytic cycle. In that, merozoite infect the RBC then mature into schizones, and which rupture and release the merozoites. Then merozoites again infect the RBC and replicate. Some merozoites undergo sexual erythrocytic stage, also known as a gametocytes. Third cycle is a sporogenic cycle. In that, mosquito stomach in the macrogamete means male, and they penetrate the macrogamete means females to form a zygote, and zygote become elongated to form a ookinetic, and the ookinetic develop into the oocytes. It grow, rupture, and release the sporozoites into the saliva. Now, when any mosquito bite, they release the sporozoites, means saliva into the human body. Then cycle repeat. This is the life cycle of malaria. Now, let's discuss about the government of India has implemented several programs to control malaria. First one is the National Malaria Control Program, NFCP, launched in 1953, and NFCP was the first large-scale program aimed at controlling malaria. The program focused on the vector control, spraying insecticides, and treating the malaria cases. Second one is the National Vector Borne Disease Control Program, NVBDCP, established in 2003. It is an umbrella program that integrates the control of a multiple vector-borne disease. And the program focuses on the surveillance, vector control, and distribution of insecticides. Third one is the National Framework for Malaria Elimination. The NFME aims to eliminate malaria in India by 2030. It outlines strategies for early diagnosis, complete treatment, integrated vector management, and a community participation. Fourth program, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, means also known as a Clean India Mission, aims at improving the sanitization and hygiene, which indirectly helps in reducing the mosquito breeding sites and controlling malaria. Last one is the Urban Malaria Scheme, UMS. Million people in 131 towns across 19 states and union tertiary face malaria. The program goal is to reduce the disease to a tolerable level and prevent the deaths from malaria. Last one is the classification of anti-malarial drugs. First class, 4-aminoquinolines, its derivative chloroquine and amodiquine. Second class is 8-aminoquinolines, its derivative bulaquine and primaquine. Third class, quinoline methanol, its derivative mefloquine. Fourth class, tetracycline, its derivative tetracycline and doxycycline. Fifth class, cinchona alkaloid, its derivative quinine. Sixth class sulfonamide and sulfone, its derivative dapsone. Seventh class amino alcohol, its derivative halofenterine and lumefanterine. Eighth class diaminopyrimidine, its derivative pyrimethamine. And ninth class manitro base, its derivative pyranodine. And a 10th class antibiotic, its derivative tetracycline, doxycycline, and clindamycin. These are the 10 main class of anti-malarial drugs. So, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Press the like button, share video, and subscribe the channel.